Both of those clips were made with the same AI tool. The only difference was the prompt. In the next 5 minutes, you will learn the exact 4-step formula that separates a forgettable clip from a cinematic one. By the end of this episode, you will be able to do 3 things. 1. Understand why most AI video prompts produce weak results. 2. Apply the 4-step formula to any idea you have. 3. Generate at least 2 high-quality clips of your own before this video ends. Most people type something like this, a person walking, and then wonder why the result looks flat and generic. The problem is not the AI. The problem is that the AI has nothing to work with. It does not know who the person is, where they are, what the mood is, or how the light falls. So it guesses, and the result looks like a guess. The solution is simple. You give the AI exactly what it needs, using a 4-part structure. Here is the formula. 4 components. Write them in this order. Part 1. Subject. Who or what is in your scene? Be specific. Not a person. A young Rwandan woman in Mushanana clothing. Part 2. Action and setting. What are they doing, and where? Not walking. Walking through the terraced hills of Kigali at dawn. Part 3. Style. What should the image look like? Cinematic, 3D animation, documentary, vintage film, you choose. Part 4. Lighting and detail. What is the mood? Warm golden light, soft morning mist, deep blue shadows at dusk. Put those 4 together, and the AI has everything it needs. Let me build the prompt live, 1 part at a time. Subject. A young Rwandan woman in traditional Mushanana clothing. Action and setting. Walks through the terraced hills of Kigali at dawn. Style. Cinematic 3D animation. Lighting and detail. Warm golden light, soft morning mist, shallow depth of field. Now I click Generate. Watch what happens. That is the difference 4 structured components make. Same tool, same button. Completely different result. Let us try 2 more. Each one a real Rwandan scene. First, children playing football on a dusty red pitch in rural Rwanda. Running and laughing at sunset, documentary style, warm orange backlight, long shadows, dust particles catching the light. Second, a Rwandan coffee farmer inspecting red coffee cherries, standing in a lush green plantation on a misty hillside. Aerial cinematic drone shot, slowly descending, soft diffused morning light, rich green and red color palette. Notice how each prompt follows the same 4-part structure, but produces a completely different mood, place, and story. That is the power of this formula. It works for any scene, any culture, any idea you have. Here is the tip that separates good prompts from memorable ones. Add 1 unexpected sensory detail. Something the viewer can almost feel. Dust particles catching the light. The texture of hand-woven fabric. The shimmer of Lake Kivu at midday. These small, specific details give the AI something to lean into, and they give your video a quality that generic prompts never achieve. Your scene, your culture, your detail. No one else will generate exactly what you generate. Let us recap. Weak prompts give the AI nothing to work with. The formula gives it everything. Subject, action and setting, style, lighting and detail. 3 prompts. 3 completely different Rwandan scenes, all from the same 4-step structure. Your turn. Open the free PDF in the description. You will find 20 prompt examples using this formula, plus a blank template to write your own. Build 1 prompt for a scene from your life. Generate your clip in Google Flow. And if you get stuck along the way, drop your question in the comments or to our email acontest.rwanda@gmail.com. We read every single one and we'll help you out. In episode 3, we take the formula further. You will learn how to control the camera itself. Drone shots, slow pans, dramatic zooms, all through the words you choose in your prompt. Same tool, new dimension of control. Today's prompt formula is a skill you'll use forever. Now, put it to work. If the formula worked for you, subscribe to the channel. Submissions close August 31st across 3 tracks: cultural fusion, social message, and applied AI creation. Pick one and apply what you learned today. Check the link below to enter. See you in episode 3.